Hi there. In this video, we are going to see about activating territory model. So in the previous videos, so far the topics what we have completed are initially we created a territory model, and then we created a territory type to group the territories, and then we created a territory, and we created an assignment rule to assign account records to the respective territories, and we have assigned the users also to the territory. When we are testing the territory, we manually run the account assignment rule, and we have checked the territories are assigned properly or not. Now, each and every time it is not possible to run it manually, right? So that's why we are going to activate the territory model. So here comes the question, why we need to activate the territory model? In the picture, you are seeing in the picture that initially the territory models will be planning stage, right? It will be in three stage. One is planning stage, another one is activated stage, and another one is called archive stage, right? So initially when you create a territory model, the territory model will be in the planning stage. Suppose if you want to activate the territory model, then you need to click the activate button. The territory model will be activated. Once it is activated, you cannot deactivate. Only thing what you can do is you can archive or you can delete the territory model. That's the only option left for you. Now come to the question, why we need to activate the territory model? So as I told you earlier, territory model helps to run account assignment rule automatically, and account and its related records will be assigned to the territory whenever there is an account gets created, right? So that's what I explained in the previous slide also. So initially when you are creating the account assignment rule under a territory, you will be unit testing by clicking the run assignment rule. But each and every time you need to click it. That is practically not possible, right? So obviously, whenever an account record created, it should automatically assign to the respective territories, and the territory assigned users should be able to see those records. That's the purpose of creating the territory model, right? So if that is the case, we need to activate the territory model. That's the only reason we will be activating the territory model. Otherwise, the auto account assignment rule will not run. You need to run it manual. That is the only reason. Okay, fine. Let's have a complete picture. For example, we have a territory model called Pan India Sales 2024. See, it is active stage. Under this territory model, we have a territory called South India. Under the territory, we created a Chennai territory, right? Under South India, we have created a Chennai territory. This is what we previously implemented. So this is a snapshot of what we have implemented previously. Chennai territory. This Chennai territory assigned with users Naga as Garg. These two all are the users of the members of that territory, right? And this territory also had a account assignment rule, right? Territory assignment rule is created for this Chennai territory. The rule was billing city equals Chennai. Whenever a user created an account with the billing city as Chennai, then these records will be shared with Garg as well as Naga automatically when the territory model was active, right? So only account will be assigned. No, the related records also will be assigned. So on what basis the related records will be assigned? For that, we have a territory access level. Each and every territory will have its own territory access level. If you look at this territory access level, account has access level of view accounts assigned to this territory. All the users can view the accounts assigned to the territory. Contact access level is concerned the users can view and edit all the contacts irrespective of the ownership. Opportunities level, opportunity access is level, cannot access the opportunities if they do not own, even though it is being part of a territory. Let's say for example Garg is not the owner of the opportunity, then obviously he cannot see those records. Case access level also cannot access. So these have a restricted access, right? Opportunity and case have a restricted access. Even though if it is being part of the territory, whoever owns the account record, only they can be able to see, right? This is the model. And for account and contact, we have given the view access. For contact, we have given view and edit. So Garg should be able to see any records created by Naga if that account is created under the Chennai territory, even though Garg is not the owner of the record. So in the OWD private model, account OWD private model, how Garg able to see the record? Are we going to write a sharing rule? No. Through territory management, we are going to share the record. Let's quickly jump to the org and we will create the account record and see, how it will looks like. Let me quickly go to the first browser. I have two browser. In one browser, I have logged in as Naga. So if you look at this browser, I have logged in as the system admin. System admin is, Naga basically. Okay, fine. So I'm not able to click this. That's fine. I just wanted to show you who is the logged in user. So now you are able to see, right? This window belongs to Naga. And I have one more browser window. In that browser window, now you are able to see that browser window also. This browser window, I have logged in as Garg. I have logged in as Garg. So if you look at Garg, Garg is able to see only one account record. It means that there is a sharing settings enabled for this account object, right? Let's quickly jump to the system admin window and check what is the OWD settings there. Let me quickly check for sharing settings and let's see what is the sharing settings applied for account object. If you closely look at the sharing settings of the account object it is private, right? Account object it is private, contact it is private, right? So the sharing settings model is private. So why I am discussing about sharing settings here? Why we need to create a territory model? When the account is in the private sharing model, then only we need to discuss about territory model. Otherwise, if the account record is in the public model, then why we need to create a territory, right? No use of that. So the territory model is used to vertically open up the access for account and its related records in an organization. That's the reason we are creating the territory model, right? Okay, so now the account and contact are in private. It means that whoever created the record, only they can able to see the records. We have, so far we are not, running any rule here. Let me quickly come to the account record. Since I am a system admin, this window belongs to system admin Naga. So he can able to see all the records. At the same time, if you switch the window to Garg able to see only one record. What might be the reason why he is able to see this record? Only reason might be it might be a manual shared record or he might be the owner of the record. As far as this record is concerned, he is the owner of the record. If you closely look at this record, he is the owner of the record. So that's why this is the only record Garg able to see as of now. Okay. So Garg belongs to a territory model. Garg belongs to Chennai territory model. So let's quickly see the territory model also. Let me quickly go to the territory model. What I have explained in the presentation, that is what the territory model. So first you need to click the activate button, but I have already activated the territory model. So if you haven't activated your territory model, if you open the territory model, in the right side, you will see a button called activate. Once you click that activate button, automatically the territory model will be active. So now I have already activated the territory model. Instead of archive, if you look at here, instead of archive, you will see activate button. You have to click the activate button to activate the territory model. Now this territory model is activated. As I discussed in the presentation, you have a territory model called Chennai. If you go to the Chennai territory model, let's see the Chennai territory model users, right? Let's check the users first. So let the page to load. Okay, if you look at the assigned users, Garg and Naga belongs to this Chennai territory model. The Chennai territory account access level, everyone can see. Contact access level, everyone can view and edit if the record is assigned to this territory. Opportunity and case, as discussed earlier, it has a restricted access. As of now, we have one territory assignment rule, that is account assignment rule is returned. In the previous videos, we have returned it. The rule is also active. If you look at the rule has a criteria billing city equals Chennai. So if someone is trying to create any account records with billing city as Chennai, automatically the record will be assigned to that territory because we have activated the model. If you haven't activated the territory model, then you are in the planning stage. If you are in the planning stage, then to test the record assignment, you need to go and run the click the run button each and every time. If you look at the assignment rule, there is a button called run rule, right? You need to click the run rule, and then the rule will run and it will check the account records and it will assign the respective account records to the territories whose billing city is Chennai. But that is not the case. We will be doing it when we are doing the unit testing, right? So now we have activated the model. So once the account record gets created, automatically the records will be assigned to the territories. Let's unit test this. So we have activated the territory model and I have explained all the things. Everything is active. Now the user Naga, he is going to create a record. Okay. I'm going to click the record, new record button, and I'm going to create an account record. OWD is private. Again, I'm reminding the OWD model is private for account. I'm creating an account called a demo territory account. Demo territory account. Okay. And for this account, I'm going to set the billing city as Chennai because that is the criteria, right? If you are having you are creating a record without billing city Chennai, then the account record will not be assigned to the territory. To make this account record assigned to the territory, I am creating billing city as Chennai because that is the rule written in the account assignment. In the territory, right? Chennai territory. So I'm trying to click save button. The account record will be gets created. So since I am the owner of this account, definitely I can able to see the record. At the same time, if I look at the related list, assigned territories, this record is perfectly assigned to this Chennai territory. We haven't run the rule manually. Automatically the record is assigned because the territory model is active now. Now let's quickly jump to the Garg window and see what he sees in his account related account list. Let me try to refresh the account page as Garg. Now Garg able to see the demo territory account. So the account model is OWD sharing model is private, but still Garg able to see this record. If you open his record, account owner is Naga. So the sharing model is private, OWD private. It means that you need a sharing rule, but still without writing sharing rule, we are sharing the account records to other users with the help of territory model, right? So now he is able to see the assigned territories as well as users in the assigned territories, and he can able to see the records also. Let me try to change this rating field from nothing to hot. Okay, and oops, Garg cannot able to edit the record. Why Garg cannot able to edit the record? Because if you closely look at the territory model, what is the account access level? Users in this territory can view accounts assigned to the territory. So the owner is, Naga. Garg is not the owner, but still Garg able to see this account record because it is assigned to the territory. Right, Garg also belong to the Chennai territory. So Garg able to see this record. But will he able to edit the record? No, because it is controlled by the territory access level. So let me cancel this. Now quickly jump to the, Naga's window, right? He created the demo territory account. Now what he is trying to do here is he is going into the, account record, the same, demo territory account record, and he is trying to create a new opportunity. Okay. Let me click to create a new opportunity. Sorry, new contact first. And the contact, let's see, demo territory contact, demo territory contact. This is what, he created. And I have a validation rule. So I need to put some numbers here and let me click save. Now, a contact record is created under this account, right? Now, let's quickly jump to Garg window and see whether he is able to see that record. He need to refresh. Let's refresh and see in the Garg window whether Garg able to see the contact also now. Previously, he is able to see the demo territory account record. Now it's time to test whether he is able to see the demo contact record also, demo territory contact record also. So let the page to load. Yes, he is able to see the contact record also. Why? How it is possible? How it is possible in the sense, if you look at the territory model, contact access level users in the territory can view and edit contacts associated with the accounts regardless of who owned that contact. Right? Now, whether he can able to edit the contact? Yes, definitely. Let's quickly jump to the, the Naga's window, and let's try to create a new opportunity also. Account and contact, now it is visible for Garg. Now it's time to test opportunity. So all the objects have a vulnerability setting of private. All right. So let's say demo territory opportunity. Let's keep it simple. And close date. Let me set a close date. And then the stage, prospecting, and let me try to click save. Okay. So now this opportunity also gets created. Now let's quickly go there in Garg's window and let's check Garg able to see the opportunities also. Let me refresh and let's see. Okay, need to wait a little bit till the page gets refreshed. Okay, fine. So if you come here, if you closely look at the opportunities, let's see whether the opportunity is also assigned to Garg. No, Garg not able to see the opportunity, right? Why Garg not able to see the opportunity? Couple of points are there. One is, as I discussed earlier, opportunity access has a restricted level. If they do not own the account, then they should not able to see the opportunity also. Since Garg is not the owner of the account, right? So then definitely he cannot able to see the opportunity because we have a restricted access level. All right. And the second thing is, if you go to that opportunity record, let me go to the opportunity and let's analyze the opportunity record a little bit. And let me go to the details section. And I have, enabled, I have dragged and dropped a field, additional field in the page layout. Let me quickly explain you that too. Let me quickly and find and territory, right? See, the territory is assigned, right? The territory is assigned to Chennai, right? This opportunity created under the territory Chennai. Have we manually enabled it? No. Automatically it is assigned because the account is assigned with the territory model of Chennai. So contact is also assigned, opportunity also assigned to the territory. But the key things are OWD sharing is sharing for opportunity is private, as well as the access level of this particular opportunity in the Chennai territory model is private, right? Only the owner can be able to see. That is the reason if you look at the Garg window, Garg not able to see that opportunity, but he is able to see the contact as well as account associated under that territory model. This is how you can able to activate the territory model, and you can enable the territory. So the we have seen the territory model worked perfectly since the internet disconnected in the middle, so the page get uh, disconnected. Now you are able to see the territory model works fine. So Garg, irrespective of he is not the owner, he is not the owner, and the model is also private, still he is able to see the account. This is how you can enable the territory model easily in an org. You can activate it, you can write the territory assignment rule, and the records also will be assigned to the territories perfectly. You can, implement the same scenario what I am, explaining in this video. You can practice the same in your org and get a, handful experience with this.
If you are interested to learn Salesforce, visit AJ Skill Development website. There you can find our course curriculum and you can come to know about the list of courses we are offering. We are offering Salesforce Administrator and Salesforce Development courses. To know about us and the team, you can visit our About Us section. This is an organization we are doing Salesforce training from 2018, and we have trained and guided 2000 plus candidates so far. And if you also want to know about our placement assistance, visit our placement assistance section where you can find the list of people and the category. You can see the list of people who got trained and placed from our side. You can also visit their LinkedIn pages to get to know about our training and also the feedback from the relevant trainees. Okay. And also, if you want to do the course inquiry, click on contact us. You will see the form. You can fill the form and submit the inquiry. Our team will get back to us. Thank you.